Here there is a word that always will get problems. The word rulo. Rulo. Rulo, that is curve. So let's do this first. Rulo, one leg, rulo, the other leg. I am doing it kind of going forward, but also we can do it backward. One leg, the other one. Again, one leg, one direction, and the other one, same kind of going backward direction, and now the one going forward. And to the other side. Good.
So with the right foot going forward, I make sure that I am really stable on the left leg, whichever the standing leg is, right? Because the movement is going to be a mess, and it's really more about making sure you're secure in the standing leg. From there, I try to keep my foot in touch with the floor a little bit, right? But that inside edge, so I'm not coming down straight on top of my foot. Inside edge a little bit, and then kind of like really softly brushing the floor with your foot, but not so that you get stuck. And eventually this kind of motion, similar to that portion you get from the pivot, that this can kind of propel you one direction or another in the cabecita. And we'll go back. And it's very relaxed, right? The movement's coming from the hip, and then my knee and ankle bend to make it very flowy. On the other side. And back. And you can practice this. We're doing it in like larger movements, but you can practice it kind of to scale it to what's comfortable for you as well. To make it very small at first, to kind of isolate it, and then you start making it bigger when you feel comfortable on the standing leg to make it bigger.